Hey smart home enthusiasts! Ever wondered how to keep your home extra secure by regularly updating your Schlage electronic locks programming code? You're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk you through the super simple steps to change the programming code on your Schlage lock. This is crucial for maintaining your home's security. Whether you've had a contractor, a dog walker, or just want a fresh start, let's dive in. Before we begin, remember that your programming code is different from your access codes. The programming code allows you to add or delete user access codes, so it's vital to keep it secure and change it periodically. Here's how to change the programming code on your Schlage lock. Step 1. Locate your current programming code. Most Schlage locks come with a default 6-digit programming code printed on a sticker on the back of the interior assembly, or on the user manual. If you've changed it before and forgotten, you might need to perform a factory reset. We'll cover that in another video. Step 2. Wake up the keypad. Press the Schlage button, or the top button with the Schlage logo, to illuminate the keypad. You should hear a beep. Step 3. Enter your current programming code. Carefully enter your existing 6-digit programming code. Press the Schlage button again. The Schlage button should flash green, and you'll hear 3 beeps, indicating successful entry into programming mode. If it flashes red, you've entered the wrong code. Try again. Step 4. Initiate the change programming code command. Now, enter 0, 0 on the keypad. This tells the lock you want to change the programming code. Press the Schlage button again. Step 5. Enter your new programming code. Enter your desired new 6-digit programming code. Choose something easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Avoid sequential numbers or birthdays. Press the Schlage button again. Step 6. Re-enter your new programming code to confirm. To confirm your new code, enter the new 6-digit programming code one more time. Press the Schlage button again. Confirmation. You should see the Schlage button flash green 3 times and hear 3 short beeps, signifying that your programming code has been successfully changed. If it flashes red, there was an error, and you'll need to repeat the process from step 2. Special tips, just FAQs. Here are a few quick tips and FAQs for your Schlage lock. What if I forgot my programming code? If you've tried your old codes and the default, a factory reset is usually the only way. This will erase all existing codes, including access codes. So be prepared to reprogram everything. Can I use any 6-digit code? Yes, but for optimal security, avoid obvious patterns or personal information. Why is my Schlage button flashing red? This usually means an incorrect code was entered, or you're not in programming mode. Double check your current programming code and try again. Does this work for all Schlage models? The general procedure is consistent across most electronic keypad deadbolts and levers like the Schlage Encode, Schlage Connect, and Schlage Keypad Deadbolt. Always refer to your specific model's manual for any minor variations. How often should I change my programming code? For enhanced security, consider changing it every few months or whenever someone who shouldn't have access to your home has knowledge of the code. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to change programming code on Schlage's lock, making your home more secure in just a few simple steps. This is a fundamental skill for any smart homeowner using Schlage electronic locks. If you found this how-to guide helpful, please hit that like button, share it with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical smart home tutorials and product reviews on electronic locks, smart thermostats like Honeywell, Brayburn, and LuxPro, and other smart home devices. Have questions about your Schlage lock or ran into a snag? Leave your questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Stay smart, stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.